Hello, it's Becky from BYD Crewe showing you this wonderful BYD CLU Comfort. This is a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid, offering up to 78 miles of pure electric range and around 700 miles combined, with charging taking 3 hours and 12 minutes on an 11 kWh AC charger. This vehicle sits on these gorgeous alloy wheels which really complement the overall look of the vehicle, and the boot offers a generous amount of storage space suitable for large luggage items. It also closes very easily using this button. The vegan leather upholstery in the back is very sporty and also has a drop down armrest with 2 exposed cup holders. We have the continuation of the vegan leather with the green stitching and extra side support on those seats for extra comfort. The multifunctional steering wheel allows you to switch between different controls for the cruise control, as well as answering calls or changing the volume. The digital cockpit allows you to see your range, charge and fuel level, as well as being able to read any trip information and see your different driving modes that you can switch between easily. You have a rotating screen which you can change to suit your preference, as well as access to 360-degree cameras. You can adjust the settings to have your best vantage point. This makes parking especially easy, especially when wanting to park in those tighter supermarket parking places. The dual climate control system allows you and your passenger to both be comfortable all year round. You can easily change the settings with the touchscreen here. You have options for the side and also down at the bottom for changing each side, and you've got heated and ventilated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. You also have access to satellite navigation to help navigate you on those unfamiliar journeys, as well as being able to connect to DAB radio for preloaded radio channels, connecting your phone via Bluetooth, or even having access to Spotify. You can also personalise your vehicle to suit your preference, changing the colour of the ambient lighting. Down below you have 2 wireless charger ports, as well as your driving controls and 2 cup holders for your drinks. Thank you for watching this presentation of this beautiful BYD CLU. To get in touch, please call us today.